If you're running short on time in the morning like I am, here's my 2-minute routine to just look a little bit more put together. This is my natural hair and I'm just going to straighten a little bit here and then do a couple of face framing curls. So I'm using our hair repair as a heat protectant spray. When I do this, I take huge chunks at a time, not truly trying to straighten it, but just taming it down, taming the frizz, and then I take a little bit and just do really quick waves throughout. Just do a really quick little wave, just enough, and then I do this part here. Usually just do 2 big pieces, and that's it. So I changed, put on my earrings, and I'm just gonna add a couple of last sprays of hair repair. Here's the finished look. I feel like just styling the front pieces of hair gives the illusion that your entire head has been styled. And the hair repair is a great heat protectant before you use your styling tools, and as a finishing spray to just tame the flyaways, add some shine, and make sure everything looks put together.